So today I'm doing this regional dialect meme. It's a list of words that you say in like your native dialect or accent, and then you also answer some questions. My accent or dialect be I'm from Texas. So here's the words that you say: ant, root, wash, oil, theater, iron, salmon, caramel, fire, water, sure, data, ruin. Now this one I get made fun of because I say it weird. It's crayon. Normally it's pronounced like crayon, but those damn O's are so hard for me to say. Toilet, Orleans, pecan. I know a lot of people say like pecan. I know, that's not how you say it at all. Both, again, probably, spitting image, Alabama, lawyer, coupon, mayonnaise, syrup, pajamas, caught. Here are the questions. What is it called when you throw toilet paper on a house? That is TPing. What is the bug that when you touch it, it curls into a ball? And it's a roly-poly. What is the bubbly carbonated drink called? Is it technically called a soda? I never really like, can you get me a soda please? It's more like, can you get me a Coke? Or can you get me a Dr. Pepper? You just say the name of the soda. I don't really call it soda. What do you call gym shoes? I call gym shoes tennis shoes. What do you say to address a group of people? I say y'all. What do you call the kind of spider that has an oval-shaped body and extremely long legs? That's a daddy long leg. What do you call your grandparents? I have my grandma and my grandpa, and then I also have my granddaddy and my granny. What do you call the wheeled contraption in which you carry groceries at the supermarket? That is a shopping cart. What do you call it when rain falls while the sun is shining? It's called rain, but I guess you could also call it a Texas mood swing. What is the thing you change the TV channel with? That is a remote. So, that was my regional dialect meme.